In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening PDF files. First, let's check if the Edge PDF viewer is enabled. To do this, you will need to open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon usually located on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is open, you are in the right place to begin the troubleshooting process. This initial step is crucial because it ensures that we are in the correct environment to make the necessary adjustments. If the PDF viewer is not enabled, it will directly affect your ability to open PDF files within the browser. Next, go to the settings page specifically designed for PDF documents. To do this, type in the address bar edge/settings/PDF documents and press the Enter key. This takes you directly to the PDF settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. Here you will see various options related to how Microsoft Edge handles PDF files. This is important because the settings here determine whether PDF files will be opened in the browser or downloaded to your computer. Now, once you are on the PDF settings page, look for the option labeled Always Download PDF Files. You want to make sure that this option is turned off. If it is turned on, Microsoft Edge will not open PDF files directly. Instead, it will download them to your device. To change this setting, simply click on the toggle switch to turn it off. This small adjustment can save you a lot of hassle later on when trying to view PDF documents directly in your browser. After you have ensured that the setting is off, it's time to restart Microsoft Edge. Close all Edge windows completely before reopening the browser. This step is essential because it allows the changes you made to take effect. When you restart Edge, it will load with the new settings in place. It might take just a moment, but this is a critical step to ensure everything functions correctly after making adjustments to the settings. Next up, try opening a PDF file again to see if the issue is resolved. You can do this by clicking on a PDF link or opening a PDF document saved on your computer. If everything is set up correctly, the PDF should open directly in Microsoft Edge without downloading. This is important because being able to view PDFs in your browser can enhance your workflow and make accessing documents much easier. If the PDF still does not open, don't worry just yet. There are other solutions we can explore if needed. With that ready, you should now be able to view PDF files seamlessly in Microsoft Edge. This process not only solves the immediate problem, but also helps you understand how to manage your browser settings effectively. Remember, keeping your browser settings optimized is key to a smooth browsing experience. Thank you for following along. If you have any further issues, consider revisiting these steps or checking additional browser settings.